Walnuts have a wide range of uses and can be enjoyed in various ways due to their unique flavor, texture, and nutritional benefits. Here are some common uses of walnuts. 1. Culinary uses *, snacking *, walnuts can be eaten as a healthy and nutritious snack, straight out of the shell or roasted for extra flavor. They're a great on-the-go energy source. Baking *, add crunch to your baked goods. From cookies to cakes, walnuts enhance flavor and texture. Cooking *, elevate your dishes. Walnuts give a satisfying crunch to salads, stir-fries, and pasta dishes. 2. Health and wellness *, walnuts are packed with essential nutrients for heart health, brain function, and anti-aging benefits. Eat them daily for a healthier life. 3. Beauty regimen *, walnuts are a secret ingredient for glowing skin and strong hair. Crushed or oil, it works wonders.